Hi everyone, hello, how are you all doing? And a very warm welcome to all of you in our today's video. Today in our A to Z series, we have the alphabet W. And from W, we'll be talking about acupressure points which will help to reduce wrinkles in your face. On your face or anywhere if you are having wrinkles in general, it will help to reduce wrinkle in your body. So let us see the acupressure point, one single point which will help to reduce wrinkles. Before that, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, then please do subscribe and do share this video with others so that they can also get this informative video. And if you want to join our WhatsApp group or our Telegram group, then you click on the link in the description box. Also, you can join our WhatsApp channel on which we share different kind of health related posts daily. You can join that and get benefit from that too. And do please share this different things with your friends and family so that they also get the benefits from all these things. So let us see the point. So our point is located on the front side of our hand on the middle finger. Just below the first joint of the middle finger, exactly in the center we have this point. This point is called as SP6, spleen 6. So what we will do, we will take a jimmy and we will press the point properly for 30 seconds to 1 minute. And then we'll apply one Buell magnet on this point. If you're not having the magnets and if you want to buy them, then you can see our contact details. You can WhatsApp us and buy the magnets for yourself. So we'll apply one Buell magnet in such a way that the white side of the Buell magnet will touch the skin, and from the outer side you will see the yellow side of the Buell magnet. That means we need to reduce the energy of the magnet or sedate the energy of this point. Okay? Reduce the energy or sedate the point like that. So we'll do this treatment daily. Please do remember, doing it for once won't give you any kind of good results. To have proper results, to get proper results, you need to do it daily, at least for 2 to 3 months, and you will see superb results. So you need to apply magnets for 8 to 10 hours. This point is bilateral, so apply the magnets on both the hands. And whenever you will remove it, you need to throw the paper tip away and bring both the magnets together so that they can energize themselves and you can use it again. Magnets do not expire and you can use it for lifetime. So definitely do this treatment daily. That's all for today. Thank you so much everyone. If you're liking our A to Z series, then please do subscribe our channel. And one more thing, if you are having any disease name from Z, then please do mention that also, because I have written all the alphabet diseases are written already, but the one with Z, I am not able to find any diseases with Z alphabet. So if you are having anything, if you know anything, please do let me know about it in the comment section. Thank you everyone.